10 High-income earners' common mistakes. Considering that their high income will never end. High earners often believe that their income will never drop. On the other hand, data indicates that income typically peaks in one's 40s and 50s before falling later in life. Rich people should exercise caution when committing to an expensive lifestyle that assumes that their income will never go down. Understanding that current income levels are probably only temporary, and could decline with shifting economic conditions is a component of creating a long-term financial plan. Increasing lifestyle too fast while income is growing. It is tempting to inflate lifestyle with more costly homes, vehicles, and trips as income rises. Nevertheless, this makes it challenging to reduce later if necessary. Earners with good judgment control lifestyle inflation by saving raises instead of spending them. No matter how much money you make, if all of it is spent on debt repayment and payments, you will always be broken. Over-investing in non-liquid assets. Collectibles, antiques, and rental properties might all seem like appealing investments. Their lack of liquidity, though, may be harmful. In an emergency, illiquid assets cannot easily be sold to raise money. It is sage to restrict their allocation. Never stop seeking more money without thinking about the repercussions. When it becomes reasonable, high achievers will frequently keep pushing themselves to increase income. Gaining more money by working 80 hours a week may come at the expense of one's happiness, relationships, and health. Earners ought to ask themselves if the personal costs of earning more money are worthwhile. As you move into higher tax brackets, pay a larger percentage of income taxes, and keep less of your income. Having a higher income also has diminishing returns. Taking unnecessary risks in investments. Rich incomes frequently result in overconfidence in one's capacity for investing. When earners attempt to score home run returns, this may lead to risky levels of risk-taking. High risk, though, also carries the possibility of significant losses. Modesty is essential. Concentrate on an edge-based long-term investing strategy. Having the wrong financial advice around them. Financial advisors and salespeople frequently target high earners to make money off of them. This may result in bad investments or advice that isn't in their best interests. It is crucial to carefully screen advisors. Seek a teacher rather than a paid representative. Inadequate accounting. Taxes rise with income, but many workers don't use strategies to reduce their taxes. Although it can save thousands, proactive tax planning is frequently overlooked. Tax-saving options can be found by speaking with a tax expert. It's critical to comprehend whether paying taxes now with an Roth IRA or 401k is preferable to tax-deferred retirement accounts like traditional IRAs and 401ks. Overcomplicating their finances. An excessive number of accounts, investments, and advisors can cause financial complexity. Complexity increases the difficulty and confusion of money management. Generally, a simpler strategy works better. Disregarding basic financial knowledge. Many wealthy people consider basic money management techniques to be beneath them. But long-term wealth is built on tenets like index funds, saving, and budgeting. Avoiding basic financial knowledge is a mistake. You cannot overcome poor financial decisions and spending habits. Inadequate insurance protection. Earnings and assets are safeguarded by adequate insurance, but many wealthy people lack adequate coverage. There should be full insurance protection in place, including life and disability insurance. In order to save your family from financial ruin in the event that you pass away, you must insure everything you own, including your income, with disability insurance and adequate life insurance.